Hi there, my name's Jim. Welcome to Baldman Tech. So in today's video, we're going to go over the Later case here from Lou Later at Unbox Therapy. And I got this from my Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and I have some thoughts and comments on it. So let's get right into it. I wanted to go over this case. I purchased it recently, and I've been running the OtterBox Defender Series case. So I did a video on that several months ago now. And the only negative things I have to say about that case is, one, it had no inbuilt screen protector. 2, it holds a lot of dirt, and 3, it scratches my phone because I'm in Florida and all of the sand from my construction day job gets inside the phone case. So as you can see, there's quite a bit of scratching here, scratches along the edge and on the bottom. So anyways, when I'm outside of work, I like to personally have a different phone case to get some of that work-life balance. And here around the house and running around town and stuff, I can just put my phone in my pocket. So I like the carbon fiber look, and when Lou Later came out with his Aramid DuPont Kevlar carbon fiber case, or carbon fiber looking case, I wanted to give it a shot. So originally it was $45, and then after all the drama that surrounded the launch of it, it dropped down. He put it on sale for $35, and that's when I picked it up. And now it's at $39, he says, because of all the sales he's gotten. He's able to drop the price and cost cutting, etc. Now, at $35, I'm going to tell you right now, it's expensive for what it is. You have to like what it does. You have to like the feel of it and the look of it more than the actual protective features of it. So at point, I think they said 6 millimeters thick. It is certainly not a case that's built to protect your phone. But the only way it protects it from me is that the matte texture and kind of the roughness of the fibers keeps it from falling out of my hands. And it's pretty nice, and it looks pretty good. So Lou said he made a whole bunch of cases in order to have a case for each different model phone. And, you know, that's not something I really need. I do use 2 phones, but I don't really need to have the same feel in each one, because as each phone is different, the feel is going to be different anyways. So specifically relating to this here case, it does go on and off decently easy. It's not as easy as some of those that I've seen. It's very light. Now, when it arrived, it actually was twisted a little bit, and you can see right here as I press it onto my desk that it wasn't completely straight and true, but it makes no difference when it's actually snapped on the phone. It holds it just perfectly. Now, there's no branding on the phone. There was no branding on the box, so that was a little different. I'm not quite used to that. For someone with such a large channel trying to establish a brand name, I would think that they would put their brand name on the product, but that's kind of besides the point. As far as things that I don't like about the case, one, so I hold my phone like this here, and typically I have my pinky right underneath the USB Type-C port, and that's due to the phone size and my hand size. So I like to do that so it never drops out. Well, the Aramid fiber right there is a little sharper than I'd like it to be, so sometimes it gets a little irritating. It's certainly easy enough to get the S Pen out, and that's no issue, but everything is very, precisely cut and stuff like that. But it's just one thing I noticed. Additionally, having the case come so close to the power button and the volume control without the screen on, with, let's say, low light, or you're just in your pocket or whatever, and you try to just unlock your phone real quick, sometimes you'll find you're hitting the volume down. Or if you try to turn the volume up or down and you accidentally hit the power button while you're watching a video, for example. So they made the Aramid fiber come up so close that you really can't differentiate the buttons very easily. So in a future revision, I would definitely like that to be a little bit larger cutout so you can feel the buttons better. As far as your mic holes and all of that, speaker grills, all of that, it's very nicely precision cut. I did notice that on my model, the camera cutout looks to be, I don't know, a millimeter offset. It's not exactly perfect, and for the money I think it should be, just as I think it should be a nice straight and true case. It's certainly a first generation product. So with that pretty much wraps up my conclusion. So do I think you should buy this case? Only if you like the feel, and if you really like the look of the carbon fiber look, which, there's going to come to a point when that's pretty played out, and some people might even say it is played out. I think I'd like to see a case like this in like a forged carbon fiber look, like a dry carbon. I think would be cool. I know Lou's talking about maybe making it with some wood texture and things like that. So I'm definitely excited to see where his new company goes and what cases come out. But if you're using it for a rough and tough everyday case, I wouldn't recommend it. It just doesn't offer enough protection. And it doesn't have a phone clip. If this could come with a phone clip, it'd be a little bit more practical as far as everyday use, but a lot of people don't even use those now. So that's pretty much my thoughts on this case. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. So I do have more content coming soon here at Baldman Tech. So if you like today's video, please go ahead and subscribe and become a part of the Baldman Tech community, and hit that like button if this video was something that you like to see. So thank you very much for watching, and you all have a good day. Bye for now.